seconds break. 2 more sets just like this. Shoulders back, go. Break. 1 more set. Lift the knee higher up. Great. Now different exercise. Open squat, here, and cross. Nice deep squat, cross. And keep going. Hips down, drop the knee. Hips down, drop the knee. 10 seconds break, shake those legs. Other leg, open squat and cross. Ready? And go. Open squat, drop the knee. Go low. Again. Drop the knee. Great. 2 more sets just like this. Shake those legs. Other leg. Ready? And let's go. Exercise. Cross. Drop those hips. Keep your chest up. Drop your knee lower. One more time, other leg. In 3, 2, ready? Go. Open up, cross. Drop the knee. Drop the knee. Drop the knee. Great job. Okay.